Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I'm going to show you some country style home decoration ideas. Let's take a look. Country style home decoration is a cozy, warm, and nature inspired decorating style that brings the feeling of simple countryside living into your home. It focuses on comfort, natural materials, and a homely, welcoming atmosphere. Here are some simple and beautiful tips to decorate your home in a country style. Easy to follow and perfect for creating a warm, cozy, natural look. Use soft and natural colors. Choose calming, countryside-inspired colors: cream, beige, soft white, pastel blue, shades green, warm brown, light gray. These colors create a peaceful, homely vibe. Add wooden elements. Wood is the heart of country decor. Wooden shelves, plastic wooden table, distressed furniture, wooden trays and crates. Bring in natural textures. Add items made from natural materials, jute or cotton rugs, wicker or can baskets, linen or cotton curtains. Use vintage and handmade items. Country style loves old, precious things. Old lanterns, antique clocks, mason chairs, handmade crochet and knitted items. Vintage style frames. Add flowers and greenery. Plants instantly make your home feel fresh. Fresh flowers in jars, dried flower bunches, small indoor plants, herb pots in the kitchen. Keep it cozy and comfortable. Country decor should feel warm and welcoming. Soft cushions, knitted drawers, cozy blankets, warm lighting. Use simple patterns. Choose patterns that remind you of countryside life. Floral prints, gingham, a small check, stripes, tiny polka dots. Display everyday items beautifully. Country homes make simple things look special. Display cups and plates on open shelves. Use glass jars for storage. Place fruits in open baskets. Keep it clean and uncluttered. Country style is simple, not too fancy. Don't overcrowd shelves. Leave some open space. Keep decor purposeful and cozy. Mix modern with rustic. Country style doesn't have to look old-fashioned. Use modern lights with wooden furniture. Mix clean white walls with vintage decor. Combine simple shelves with antique pieces. Add layered lighting. Warm lighting makes everything cozy. table lamps, soft wall lights, lantern style lamps, fairy lights for a soft glow. Use farmhouse inspired kitchen decor. The kitchen is a perfect place for country style. Wooden cutting boards on display, herbs in small clay pots, open shelves for cups and chairs, wicker baskets for onions, garlic, fruits. Add textured walls or accents. If possible, create simple wall accents, wooden beams, exposed brick, even wallpaper, wainscoting panels, light floral or check patterned wallpaper. Decorate with useful items. Country style loves functional beauty. Pretty pots, oven trays, tea tins, wooden stools. And cozy corner spaces. Create a small warm corner, a wooden chair, a soft drawer, a teeny bookshelf, a plant or flower vase. Mix soft fabrics. Use different fabric textures. Linen cushions, cotton curtains, knitted drawers, crochet table mats or runners. Keep furniture simple. Country style avoids overly fancy furniture. Choose simple wooden chairs, lightly distressed tables, vintage cabinets, can or wicker seating. Add signature farmhouse pieces. Even one or two items can make a big difference. A rustic clock, wooden ladder shelf, vintage mirror, farmhouse style wooden rug. Use earthy and nature inspired accessories. Bring in items that feel connected to nature. Clay vases, terracotta pots, wooden bowls, stone candle holders. Add soft curtains or lace panels. Country style loves gentle, airy fabrics. Light cotton curtains, sheer lace panels, small floral prints. Display your collections. Show simple items that feel homey. Vintage cups, old books, miniatures, dried flowers, handcrafted items. Use plastic baskets for storage. Instead of plastic containers, try wicker baskets, can trays, jute baskets. Create a little crafts corner. Country decor loves handmade items. You can display crochet mats, embroidered cloth, hand-painted chairs, DIY wooden decor. Mix old and new textures. The combination creates depth. Try mixing smooth wood with rough jute. Soft fabrics with iron elements, vintage pieces with modern shapes, and vintage style mirrors, mirrors with wooden frames, whitewashed heads, carved vintage designs. Use stone or clay decor. Small stone or clay pieces bring natural textures. Clay flower pots, earthen bowls, stone coasters, terracotta jars, and plastic wall shelves. Make shelves using rough wood, odd-looking planks, simple black iron brackets. Use natural fiber furniture. Light, airy materials look great. Rattan, can, wicker chairs, bamboo storage. Mix subtle patterns. Country style patterns work beautifully together. Teeny florals, gingham checks, soft stripes. And a wooden ladder decor, a very trendy from house idea. Lean a wooden ladder against the wall. Hang blankets, drawers, or small plants. Use rustic or whitewashed wood. Use soft, warm rugs. Choose rugs that add comfort. Oven jute, padded round rugs, soft cotton rugs, cottage style floral rugs. Decorate with old books, stack old, soft colored books on a shelf, on a coffee table, under a small plant pot. Add a little garden inside. Create a small indoor garden corner, a wooden stool with plants, a shelf for small herbs, hanging planters, clay pots by the window. Use white and wood combination, a classic country palette, white walls and wooden furniture, white shelves and wooden counter, white textiles and wood baskets. Thanks for watching the video.